Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Temperatures tonight not as cold. We were down into the single digits and teens this morning. Tonight we'll drop down into the 20s. The sky will be clear. A little patchy fog a possibility. Sunshine again here tomorrow, just like we had today. And then there may be some fog here as we get into tomorrow night and into the morning hours on Thursday, then back to sunshine. And temperatures will be warm into the 40s and eventually heading into the 50s. It's been a breezy day, still a bit breezy here into the early evening hours, but wind will continue to lighten up, and by midnight and at points after that, the wind is light, only about 5 or 10 miles an hour, and it switches direction. It's been mainly out of the south and southwest, and you can see that change direction as the wind lightens up. Eventually, it's a north wind throughout the day tomorrow. As for future track, again, clear sky overhead. As we head through the overnight hours, a little patchy fog in some spots early on. Other than that, lots of sunshine. As we get towards the evening hours, that's when the fog starts to develop, and this will probably be a bit more widespread as we get into the overnight hours and early on Thursday. So locally dense fog potential here, as well as some freezing fog, as temperatures do drop down below the freezing mark, like they are tonight. Temperatures dropping down into the 20s for overnight lows, but not as cold as it was this morning as the wind shifts around to the northwest. Here's a look at your forecast for tomorrow. Not too bad. Sunshine, highs in the middle 40s in most locations and a light wind. It'll be a nicer day tomorrow just because there'll be a little less on the wind, so it'll feel a bit warmer out there with temperatures just a couple degrees warmer in spots. And your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Dry conditions here through the rest of the week, and we'll see temperatures getting closer to 50 degrees. Your 10-day forecast showing temperatures into the 50s around here as we get into Sunday and into next week. Dry conditions through Monday, but we are tracking a storm system that'll bring us a chance for some rain during the day and at night, depending on how much rain. We'll watch this carefully because we'll be melting a fair amount of snow during that time frame prior to that into the early part of next week. So those big piles of snow will be melting during this time. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will bring a chance for some rain as the storm system passes on by. In advance of that, a south wind pushing temperatures potentially close to 60, and then behind it, more of a northwest wind, and we're back down into the 40s for highs. Overnight lows the next several nights, 20s and 30s.